What's up guys, welcome to the video. This is going to be a very simple clarification tutorial on the 2015 and up Mustangs when installing a N2MB WOT box. I just kind of focus in on the wires that you tap into and the simple adjustments you need to make on your WOT box settings so that it works properly within your car. Enjoy. So yeah, gonna keep it pretty straightforward and simple, just kind of show you some of the wires and stuff that I'm tapping into. Nothing too crazy. It's not a wiring tutorial. Check something else out if that's what you're looking for. I'm just gonna keep it simple. So that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. So we're gonna be pulling out the, what's this stuff called? I don't know, kick panels, plastic, whatever shit this is called, so that we can put the WOT box down here, because then we can access the wiring harness that goes up into the battery and wheel well area on this side. It's been a little bit, did some figuring out and whatnot. Figure I'll just show you guys real quick. So the wiring goes through right there, just through that little grommet. It's chilling up in a glove box. The ground wire's chilling down here because I got a tap into a ground, which I found right up here. I'll try and show you guys that later. So then through the grommet right there into the engine bay, right through that hole in the fender there, makes it super easy. Up the side, and then kind of tucked up underneath, and it's coming out right here, and I'm getting ready to do some of the soldering. So this is the bottom ECU connector, and I've got the green with violet wire exposed, and that's what the green wire on the WOT box taps into, as well as the blue with white wire exposed. It's like pin number 60. The green was pin number 8, and that's for the blue wire on the WOT box. And I'll just catch up with you guys when I'm working on the next one. So we're now on the upper connector for the I guess PCM, ECU, whatever you want to call it. And this is yellow wire with a violet stripe. And I can't remember what pin number it is. But we're going to tap into that with the yellow wire on the WOT box and then move on to one of these wires. I don't remember which one. I'll figure it out in a minute and show you. And that's for the red and orange wires. Alright guys, so last piece of the puzzle here before we move to the ground on the inside of the car. So this purple wire goes to the fuse box right here. This is for your ignition coil, so you just need to cut it in half, which is always frightening, but I promise you need to do it. And then the red goes on this side going to the fuse box, and then orange goes on the away side going down to the ECU stuff and the engine, I believe. So that's the last two wires we have to splice in, and then I'll do the ground and we'll be ready to go. Alright, so I got the red and orange tapped in to the ignition wire there, and just wanted to show you guys how I did the ground. So you see those two bolts up there, those both look like grounds to me, so I tapped the ground into that one. I know it's not focusing, but you get the idea. So that's it. That's all the wiring for the WOT box. Now we just have to key on and do some testing. So in the car now, and I just wanted to show you guys kind of like the quick little tests. So as you can see, we got the blue light on the WOT box, so that's a good sign. So what I'm gonna do is put the gas pedal to the floor and it should blink. Wait a second, I forgot, we gotta update it. Because on the throttle position sensor, you have to change the voltage, I think, after 2011. So we'll do that and come back. All right, we're back. So I went ahead and plugged in the WOT box. So I'm going to show you guys that. So you have the light on. And what you need to do, I've talked about this in my previous video, you got to change the TPS threshold to 1.71 volts, because after 2011 or whatever year it is, the threshold changes from 5 to 2 for the throttle body. So you got to change the threshold for the full throttle. So now, in addition to that, you also have to invert the clutch pedal. So full throttle, you see it blinking, hit the clutch. So I'm still on the gas, and then now it comes back. So that's how you know the WOT box is working. And then if I press the clutch in and floor it, so you have your usual blinking, so that would be two-step. Clutch is activated first, so it knows to do the WOT box. So that's it. Hopefully this was educational for you guys out there that are looking to do the WOT box on the 2015 and up Mustangs. Can't really do much education as far as I'm concerned when it comes to the wiring, but that's just one of those things you got to get good at. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely hit the like button if you did. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay tuned for more content similar to this. I usually try to keep it exciting with more automotive stuff. But yeah, I think that's going to do it. So peace out. We'll catch you in the next one.